It's the end of the world as we know it. I feel fine. That's the way it starts with an earthquake, birds, snakes, and aeroplanes. Yeah, Lenny Bruce is not afraid. I have a McGee, listen to yourself, turn worlds with its own needs. Stuff is in your own needs, speed it up and that's speed back, no speed done. And I'm such a fighter with the fear, fight down like fire in the fire. With the southern air from the government for hire in a combat site. Listen what's coming in your hurry with the fury beating down your neck. Too much water, got the drone, paper round, look at that low plane. Flying there, you let me go, overflow, but mission corner, people in new secrets, every seven worlds in your own. Listen to your heart, tell me the direction and direction with the right. You patriotic, not like right. I'm feeling pretty psyched. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. I feel fine. Oh, 6 o'clock TV hour, don't forget the born now. Fresh and return, listen to yourself, journal up in the uniform. I'm recorded by the like every motor, that's the late, not a motor, generate, not a motor, but I get a rep now, step now. What you feel, crush, up, all this means no fear, cavalier, renegade, steer clear, turn them in, alive. Walk the solution, the novel, the alternative, and I decline. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. I feel